Today I am going to share how to make ink transition effect like this in Canva. So before starting, I would like to share with you that only 3.7% people have subscribed to our channel, and please subscribe to the channel as it gives me motivation to make new videos and tutorials for you for absolutely free. So let's start now. So I will come to Canva main page here, come to video here, and I will choose video landscape format. And so for this I have already saved some images so that I can share with you exactly the effect what I want to share. So in the first slide I will use this image and just make it be bigger so that it covers the whole canvas. Okay, and now let's duplicate page 1. Okay, so duplication is done. Now we will take the second image, and for the second image I am using this one or this one, anything you can use. So I am using this one, and now let's make it bigger. Okay, so make sure you are covering all the parts so that the effect is proper. Now just click out once and then click again so that you can come to animate here and make sure it is in photo. Okay, scroll down to find this ink effect animation, and from this you can choose, as you can see, 4 different levels of style, and I am going first with bloom. So let's see how the effect looks. So this is the effect. Okay, so like this it is coming. Okay, and for the next part, choose the image which is this time the upper portion. The next will be the image will be in the lower portion, and for this I'll go to elements again, and I have chosen this image and make it bigger. Okay, and now we need to choose another image, which is I am choosing this one, and let's make it bigger to the canvas. Okay, so it is done. Now again do this animate, and this time I will make different style of ink animation. So I will do splotch here. Okay, so let's see if it is working or not. So as you can see, it is working fine, and let's do another one, which is I will add this image in the below layer. Okay, and in the above layer I will choose this image. Okay, okay, and I will make it bigger, and again I will go to animate and go to ink, and this time I will choose flow. Okay, and now for the final part I will just click outside the canvas, click on any of the element page and click on timing, check the timing to 2 seconds. Okay, and apply to all pages, and make sure the first page is 0.5 seconds less than any other page, because the effect is coming on the all the pages and not on the first page. So for 0.5 seconds will be lost in that. So let's start with the effect. So as you can see, the effect looks cool, and you can just make it in 2 to 3 minutes if you have the images selected. And this is the tutorial which will help you design cool transitions for your travel blogs, for your daily vlogs, and many possibilities are there. By far I have found the best ones are for travel and daily vlogs. And if you have any other product which is referring to this market of travel vlogs, or something like different types of products, you can also try that. So hope you like this tutorial, and please subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials for absolutely free. Thank you.